This is the brand new BNCE-130 Chop Saw, the latest in our cutting-edge saw lineup from BNProducts-USA. This 14-inch chop saw is unlike anything you've used before. It uses our low RPM cold cutting technology, which allows you to cut metal, wood, conduit, PVC pipe, threaded rod, and more. This saw outperforms abrasive saws for faster and safer cuts, fewer sparks, providing a burr-free cut every time. Rubber footings remove vibration, ensuring a high-quality, clean cut every time. Just lock and cut. Our simple-to-use clamp easily secures materials and includes a V-block to lock in round rod and tubing. Our cutting-edge chop saw will cut round material up to 5 1/8 inch, square up to 4 3/4 inch, and this thing can cut 45-degree miter cuts in seconds. With our BNCE-130 Chop Saw, you can cut fast, cut safe, and cut smart. If you have any questions about our brand new BNCE-130 Cutting Edge Chop Saw, visit us at BNProducts.com for more information and to find a distributor near you.